everybody, welcome to Life and Love in the Philippines. I am blinded by the sun, but it's better than putting the sun in your picture, I guess. So I'll be blinded. I'm going to have my head down anyway, so we'll get past it. So we're back at the scooter, obviously. And if you remember, I just gravity fed the gas into the filter and from the filter into the carburetor. So we're going to put the new Petcock on because I have one. And it's been using a lot of fuel, and I'm thinking that's part of the reason it might be a little loose. I know that hose wasn't exactly real tight. We're going to do something about that. And we're going to get to the point, it's not going to be in this video, but you can see the body is separated again. And I've got it strapped together. So we're going to have to move the strap for one. Get that out of the way here. And we'll get in there and get taking it apart. That Petcock goes right here. So I got to probably have this body off. And let's see. One here. One here, and one here. And if yours are not broken out, there's one or two down there. But I don't have that problem. Alright, so we're just going to remove this whole thing. Up and out of the way. And I could actually put that Petcock on without get cameraman Phil to come around this way. So this here is the fuel filter, and this is coming from the tank to the fuel filter. So this is the mount right here for the Petcock. So I'm gonna have to have a hose that's long enough to come from the tank to the Petcock, right? So we're gonna have to do that. Mount the Petcock. Run it tight at this hose here. Is not all that tight. Well, it's kind of tightened itself up, so I guess it has come tighter, and it's fine. It's not leaking. So anyway, and then we got to put vacuum on it. So I'm going to remove this vacuum. I had it coming from where it creates the vacuum to the carb. And that's all I needed at that point because I have a gravity fed, but we're going to change that. So, we're going to cut the video off right here, and we're going to get some hoses, and then we'll come back and do more. So, we'll get back to you. Alright guys, so we're back. We're going to take this body panel off, right here. Pretty easy when it's not connected in the back there. Now, this is where that Petcock attaches. This here Petcock. I've already got a hose on it. This is the vacuum hose. So, let's get the vacuum set up first. So we're going to put this on here. This is where the vacuum is created. Right here. Vacuum created right here. And it's going to feed into this T. This all came with the carburetor, new carburetor. So I'm going to feed it into the T. These are all tight. Gonna have to put this longer hose onto there. So I'm gonna mount it, and then I'm gonna put these, and then this one here's got to go onto the carburetor. Right here's the carburetor. I don't know if Mr. Phil can get us down in there. Right there. That's the need vacuum there on the carburetor to pull the fuel through. Alright, so now we're going to mount the petcock. Alright, this is the petcock, it's the new one. We're going to go ahead and get it mounted. There's a little tab right here. And we're going to mount it. Right here. And we'll mount it on there. That's all that holds it. I'm not going to tighten it all the way just yet. I'm going to leave it just a little bit loose so I can manipulate my hoses. Now, I've got to put a new one on the tank. So this got to be quick. Let's see if I can pull it off first. Yep. Alright. Don't nobody light a match. Alright. That's not the ideal way to do it. But what did you do? You know? Alright, now, this petcock got an in and an out. There's the vacuum. It goes into the tube. And this is your output. It goes. Matter of fact, we can just kind of do it like this. We'll cut that a little bit. Come around to that side. Alright, now I'm going to tighten it up. That needs to be tidy. That vacuum line. Alright, so coming out into the tube. Got suction on the carburetor. We got suction on the petcock, which should feed the gas into the carburetor. That's the theory. Now it's gonna start because it's supposed to have some in the bulb already. So we got to get to the point where we know it's not gas. We want to keep this front end down at that time like that. Oh, that fast. Rolling like that. That's right, really. We want to keep this thing down too. It's been filtered here. I'm seeing gas going in there. So we should be alright. Now, I need to get the mount. I've got a mount for a phone holder. That's what I'm trying to say. I've got a mount for a phone holder that'll clamp on. So I'm going to get that, and we're going to see where we can possibly put it. I don't really know at the moment, but we'll figure it out, and we'll fill you in on it. That's it for what we're doing here today, folks. We'll do that body. We'll epoxy it maybe over the weekend. I've got some things I got to do this week to finish up a couple other videos. And that's about it for now. So like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.